I'm actually terrified to be walking out here this morning. It's currently bull elk mating season. Yesterday we were driving in a town. Holy crap, these things are huge. I guess I had never seen one that close before. We were just, oh, hello. It's just a dog. It's a golden doodle. This is why you should be careful if you're gonna be vlogging in a national park where there's bears and elk. Occasionally a doodle will walk up behind you and you will you'll freak out a little bit. We are in Jasper National Park. We drove north from Banff, and today we're going to check out something called Maligne Canyon. It's the deepest canyon in all of the Rockies, up to 50 meters deep, and that's what we're doing today. First, I have to go see if Alyssa is out of bed. I gave her a coffee. She's probably gonna get up. I believe in her.
Why are you so mean?
I was just trying to control all the lightings from various panels, and we're two 10-year-olds and have been playing with them ever since we got them.
It's only 15 minutes to the canyon from this campground. I think then past the canyon it's like 45 minutes more to get to the lake.
We're going to Maligne Canyon. It's the deepest canyon in all of the Rockies. And basically lots of rushing water. It's a canyon, so there's a river down there. And there's
Is that a prereq for all canyons? Because I didn't think it was.
all the cool ones have. I mean, the Grand Canyon has water. I mean, how do you think a lot of them are formed, right? At one point, they probably all had water, right? It actually looks gorgeous. So there's like 6 bridges where you can cross the canyon. There's a, you can go out to the lake part that feeds into the canyon.
We're not gonna have enough time to do the whole canyon hike though.
We'll go do the canyon for like maybe an hour or 2 this morning.
And then we're going to the lake.
We're going to the lake.
Keep your eyes peeled for any wild animals. I'm looking.
There's Booster, a bull elk.
That's a bull elk, and it says never get between the bull elk and the girls are on the other side of the road.
Oh my god.
That would be their mating call.
Seriously?
Pretty sure. That elk is trying to get some of these ladies. How many girls does a bull elk get?
Well, there's one boy over here, and there's about
Oh, there is a boy over there.
Female.
What if we can see those 2 bull elk fight? Oh, there's people out there. Stay 30 meters away from all elk. We're good. That lady is not good.
Yeah, that lady is hanging out that window. Wow, you hear that?
You can hear the elk doing their calls.
Where is that?
The men are like screaming at each other, and the women are totally just like, dude, I'm eating this grass. I don't even care. Okay, for whatever reason, all the girls just went that way, and the big guy is walking straight toward us.
We should get out of here.
I would just stay still for a second.
No, I think we should get out.
He's not paying attention to us. He's crossing. Oh dear Lord.
I have a zoom lens on this.
I think he's gonna go fight that other man.
You think so?
Yeah, I bet so. That's what I would do. Trying to steal my ladies.
I don't think that's exactly what's happening.
That's exactly what do you think the running of the elk is?
The crazy thing is, there's legitimately 20 female. Like they're
chilling over here.
There are plenty, but this one male bull elk is like, no.
You don't take any of his ladies.
Yeah. So the one guy is chasing him out into the woods. Pretty crazy.
But he's like pretty chill chasing him out there.
Yeah,
I was expecting some antler on antler action.
Yeah. You know, like how freaking long it probably takes to grow those antlers. They don't, I'm sure they probably wouldn't want to fight, I would think, but.
If he's gonna try to steal all 20 of your girlfriends.
We're gonna continue on to the canyon. Great little show though.
Yeah.
I could still hear him. Yeah. That's crazy.
Okay. Let's get on the road.
made it to the parking lot at Maligne Canyon. Honestly, could have watched the bull elk run around all day. And it's nice that it's from a safe distance. Although,
Slash from inside the car.
Yeah, exactly. One of the top winter activities is to go do this hike when it's frozen over. And so you can go into the canyon and just walk on the snow and the ice.
Dude.
It would be really cool.
You can hear it. Whoa. What? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's a long way down.
Wow, I can't even see the bottom.
Oh my gosh, you have to come this way a little bit more. Oh, you can see the water way down there. You have to put the finger on your wrist. Oh my gosh. Oh.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway.
Wow, you can hear that water.
Oh my gosh. There's
Careful,
a waterfall.
slippery.
There's a waterfall. After seeing
Alyssa and waterfalls.
Holy moly.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town.
I remember as a kid, just like watching Nat Geo and things like that, like documentaries and stuff in school about nature and national parks, and just not really caring or appreciating or even really thinking about the places. And that's one thing that coming to national parks and places like this has really changed in me. Is just, I come here and I think about like, oh, how was this formed, and looking at the rocks and things that I didn't really care about growing up, but now having the opportunity to come to so many national parks has been a really cool experience to open up, and makes me realize like how much I care about stuff like that.
Even if you just have a short time to visit here, beautiful. Highly recommend. Now, let's go to the next lake.
Let's do it.
When everyone is to fade, your hope eventually sinks. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough.
We're on our way out to Maligne Lake. This is Medicine Lake, aka the disappearing lake, because there's a series of caves that run under this and the water levels fluctuate. So sometimes this is completely bare, sometimes it's filled up, and today there's obviously water in it. I don't know how much higher it goes, but that's kind of crazy.
Or how much lower it goes.
Yeah.
We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
Okay, the part of the lake that we're passing right now is definitely disappearing. You can see little peninsulas of sand going out, and there's just
That's not little peninsulas, that's just all sand.
yeah, that's pretty much all sand out there, but it's crazy. So I guess it drains out of one area of the lake,
Maybe.
or it's just shallow, more shallow, but either way, the lake rises and falls, and sometimes it's there and sometimes it's not. It's crazy.
Looks like there's cars stopped up ahead, which means...
Usually there's an animal jam.
Oh my gosh.
And what?
I hope it's a bear.
Well, there's been a bunch of signs for caribou.
Oh, that's
so
right.
there might be caribou up here.
I don't see anything.
Oh, I see it. It's over there on the left.
Oh,
that's
yeah,
a
moose. That looks like a moose.
Wow.
She's pretty. What an amazing day for seeing wildlife.
I know. This drive already has been awesome. Unless we see like some whales or something like that on the lake, I don't think it's gonna top the wildlife we've already seen. We just got to the parking lot, about to go get on the boat.
We don't really know much about this boat ride that we're gonna go on, just that it's an hour and a half and it starts at 11:30. So we're almost late, but we'll be fine. But it's just supposed to be a really gorgeous lake and a lot of possible wildlife. Got the tickets.
Got our tickets. It's boarding now. Per usual.
I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Good. Well, welcome to Maligne Lake in beautiful Jasper National Park.
Suitcase, we'll find a new place. this town.
Halfway through our boat ride, we stopped at Spirit Island. Spirit Island.
So we went like 2/3 of the way up the lake. It's a finger lake, which apparently is a type of lake, not just a region in New York, as I always assumed. So we went all the way up it, but this is the point where they don't let boats with motors keep going up the lake because it's preserved that way for the wildlife.
They said that there is a campsite for $10. You have to paddle 7 to 9 hours in a canoe or a kayak out there.
Right?
But then you have a $10 campsite, so it seems like great value to me. It's so quiet out here, and there's just like light rays coming out of the clouds onto the mountains. It's really the perfect day to come out and do this cruise.
You can also see, I don't know how well you can see, but the shrubs and stuff on the mountains are already starting to turn yellow. So you're getting that hint of fall up here. Coming soon.
The water is insanely blue, but when you get up close, it just looks really clear.
It's deep fast too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Take it easy. Look out for the bears.
All right. Just got off the boat. We got to see 3 mooses.
Moose.
Moose.
Just moose.
I knew I wasn't
A
gonna
mama
get the plural
moose
right.
and her 2 babies.
Today's been a good day for wildlife.
Amazing wildlife day. I think this has been our first vlog too, where we were like, we're gonna look for wildlife and like actually found something.
No, we didn't even say we're gonna look for it. That's why we found it.
That must be the key.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Awesome day on the boat though. I'm glad we went out and did this.
Yeah, we like getting tours because you can read only so much and really understand an area, but to have someone that's like the expert telling you, here's how this lake was formed and here's the historical significance and all that is pretty cool.
From Banff, we took the, what the heck is the name of that road? When I don't have Alyssa here, I forget the names of the roads. Past the Icefields Park, through the Icefields Parkway. I think that's the name of it. One of these is not the same. Bam.